Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clarity English Studio. I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm glad to be here too. Today's topic is something fun and something we all enjoy. Can you guess?
A favorite subject for almost everyone.
Exactly. And talking about food is one of the easiest ways to practice English. It's simple, friendly, and everyone has something to say about it.
When you meet someone new, you can always ask about their favorite food. It's a nice question that usually brings a smile.
Definitely. Food is fun, relaxed, and a great conversation starter.
So today, we're going to show you how to talk about your favorite food in clear, simple English. And we'll also share stories, useful words, and phrases you can use at home, at school, or even when traveling. So let's begin. What's your favorite food?
That's easy. Tacos. I could eat tacos every day and never get bored.
Tacos. Nice. What kind?
Chicken tacos with cheese, lettuce, and just a bit of hot sauce. The spice makes them exciting.
Yum, that sounds great. My favorite food is fried rice.
Good choice. Why fried rice?
It's warm, satisfying, and it reminds me of my grandmother. She used to make it for me when I was a kid.
That's sweet. So everyone, remember this. When you talk about your favorite food, explain why you like it. That makes your English more interesting.
Exactly. Don't just say, I like pizza. Say, I like pizza because it's cheesy and comforting.
Ready? Say these with us. I love hamburgers because they're tasty. I like soup because it's warm and cozy. I enjoy fruit because it's fresh and healthy.
Great job! Speaking out loud is important. Don't just listen, practice too.
Now let's learn some words that help you describe food. Sweet, taste like sugar. Salty, has salt. Spicy, hot and burning in the mouth. Sour, sharp taste like lemons. Crispy, crunchy when you bite it. Soft, easy to chew. Juicy, full of liquid inside.
Let's practice. This apple is sweet and juicy. I like crispy bacon in the morning. This lemon is too sour for me. Mexican food is often spicy.
Food isn't just about taste. It's also about memories.
So true. Fried rice takes me back to my grandmother's kitchen.
And tacos remind me of family dinners on Friday nights. Food connects us to people we love.
So when you talk about food, you can also share a memory. It makes your English feel more real and personal.
For example, I love pancakes because my dad makes them on weekends. Ice cream reminds me of summer trips. My mom's soup makes me feel better when I'm sick.
Here are some helpful phrases. I'm a big fan of. I can't live without. I'm craving.
Repeat after us. I'm a big fan of pizza. I can't live without rice. I'm craving ice cream right now.
If you dislike a food, don't say, I hate it. Try, it's not really my thing. I'm not a big fan of it.
Let's practice a simple restaurant conversation.
Good evening, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the spaghetti, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Great, your food will be ready soon.
See? Simple, polite sentences are all you need.
If you like the food, say, this is delicious. This tastes amazing. Thank you for the meal.
Chocolate.
Sweet, smooth, delicious.
Potato chips.
Crispy, salty, crunchy,
Lemon.
sour, juicy, sharp. Healthy food, good for your body. Junk food, tastes good, but not healthy. Balance is important. Enjoy both, but not too much junk food.
Piece of cake means very easy. Spill the beans means reveal a secret. Cool as a cucumber means very calm. In a pickle means in trouble.
Trying new foods is a great way to learn about cultures. Use the adjectives you learned. I tried Thai food. It was spicy but delicious. I ate fish and chips. It was crispy and salty. Chop, cut into small pieces. Mix, combine ingredients. Boil, heat water until it bubbles. Fry, cook in oil. Bake, cook in the oven. Example, first I chop the onions, then I fry them in oil.
Comfort food is food that makes you feel warm, safe, and happy.
Mine is tomato soup with grilled cheese.
Mine is macaroni and cheese, warm and perfect on cold days. What topic did we discuss today?
How to talk about favorite food. Describing words, sweet, spicy, crispy, etc. Useful phrases. I'm craving. I'm a big fan of. Polite ways to say you dislike something. Ordering in a restaurant. Giving compliments. Fun expressions with food. Cooking vocabulary.
Talk about food with someone this week, using English. If you're alone, practice in the mirror. Describe what you eat daily.
My favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and delicious. I'm a big fan of ice cream. I love cooking with my family. This cake is sweet and tasty. Thank you for the wonderful meal.
You did great today. Remember, food is one of the easiest topics to practice English with.
Use English whenever you can. Every word helps you improve.
Thanks for listening to Clarity English Studio.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and talk about the food you love. See you next time.